Duct tape is very strong and helpful in emergencies, like when you need to quickly fix or hold something. But when you try to take it off your car, it can leave behind sticky glue or even damage the paint if you're not careful. Luckily, there are safe and easy ways to remove duct tape and the sticky residue without hurting your car's paint. Start by gently heating the duct tape residue using a heat gun. The warmth helps soften the adhesive, making it easier to remove. After heating, use a scraper with a plastic blade to carefully lift and scrape off the sticky residue without scratching the car's paint. A plastic scraper is safe for delicate surfaces and helps remove glue more effectively than using your hands. Once the residue is off, wipe the area clean with a soft cloth to leave your car's surface smooth and spotless. This method is safe, effective, and protects your car's paint while removing stubborn tape residue. Gasoline can help remove duct tape residue from a car's surface because it acts as a solvent, breaking down the sticky adhesive. To remove duct tape residue, apply a small amount of gasoline to a cloth and gently rub the sticky area until it lifts. Always work in a well-ventilated space and keep away from open flames, as gasoline is extremely flammable. After the adhesive is gone, wash the area with soap and water to clean off any leftover gasoline. This helps protect your car's paint and removes any lingering chemical smell. WD-40 is a safe and effective solution for removing duct tape residue without harming your car's paint. Begin by spraying a generous amount of WD-40 directly onto the sticky area and let it sit for about 5 minutes to break down the adhesive. Next, use a credit card to gently scrape away the softened residue. For any remaining glue, spray WD-40 again and repeat the scraping process carefully. This helps ensure all the residue is removed without scratching the paint. Finish by wiping the area clean with a paper towel to eliminate any leftover product and leave a smooth, residue-free surface. You can also use an adhesive remover to safely get rid of duct tape residue without damaging your car's paint. It works quickly and requires minimal effort, softening the adhesive for easy cleanup. Unlike harsh chemicals, it's gentle on automotive finishes and reduces the risk of scratching. Most adhesive removers are easy to apply and safe for repeated use. After use, simply wipe the area clean and rinse with soap and water for a smooth, residue-free surface. By using these simple techniques, your car can look as good as new, free of duct tape and sticky residue, with the paint perfectly preserved.